Okay, Sean, let's get it.
We said big bad tossing out the
Down, step, then it's up, then it's lean, then it's got it, bitch. What's going on, you guys? It's another sick and lit edition of WrestleShade, and I'm here today trying to get the choreography from Sean Bankhead, Cardi B, Up. When I first heard about the song, I thought to myself, okay, Cardi B got a new song. I wasn't really all that here for it until I saw Naomi, WWE superstar, attempt to do the dance on her TikTok and Instagram. So I'm like, bitch, look, we're gonna feel the glow. The video is off the chain. I just saw the video. So yeah, let's get into it.
We said big bad tossing out the
okay, wait. Okay, so we stance, we here like we getting ready to fight. My thing is, bitch, is the ass like this, or do you pop your chest like, boop, boop, like you getting ready to square up? Okay. The baka baka bak. That part's gonna kill me, bitch. Okay, wait. Here, boo, boo. Down, is it scoop? Like we just going down? Boop, boop, boop. Back, back, back.
A bookie, bookie, boo.
A bookie, bookie, boo. Bitch, look. Okay, here we go. Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it's kick, roll, out. Is that it? It's been bam, 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 out. This is where shit get difficult, bitch. Purr.
We said big bad tossing out the bookie, bookie, boo.
Up the bookie, bookie, boo, bitch. You got the bookie, bookie, boo. Let me turn the heat down. Open up a window out this bitch. It's hot, bitch, already, bitch. Look. If it's up, then it's up. We hot. Look. Okay. From here. Wait. Skooky, scoop. Wait. Bookie, bookie, boo. Then, Here. Like cross. Okay. Wait. Gotta remind. Hold on. Is bop. If it's then it's. Help me, please. Is this shit gonna load?
Said big bad tossing out the
Bitch, I'm gonna be all day doing this, and this cannot be a 10-minute video. I'm gonna stop it right here, you guys, and I'm gonna try to get all of this. And when I get it, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, bitch, because I'm gonna get this dance today. Lordy, bitch, I can't even. Bitch, look. I saw some lady left a comment about slowing it down on 0.x5 speed. Look, I can't do this on this old ass tablet, and I'm not logging into TikTok. I refuse right now, bitch, okay? The 31-second clip. I need a breakdown, honey. Okay, y'all. We back at it. Bitch, I'm trying. Siri can't even help me with this one, you guys. as I go through some of the videos and I see some of the comments, I see people comment like, oh, this is so easy. I learned this dance within 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, this was so fun. I'm just like, well, honey, where's y'all tutorials at? So you can break it down for the people, okay? Because look, girl, bye. Let's see if we can get this thing one more time with the sound effects.
Said big bad busting out the 50 band cable. Ooh, ooh, a baka, it's ooh, crack, a bookie, boo, bop, 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 bop. If it's Dennis, lean, Dennis, if it's Dennis, Dennis, if it's Dennis, ha, boo, 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 huh.
We had to pull it out the bag, y'all. We had to pull it out the bag. Let's go. We're gonna go full out. Okay, we're not gonna go full out just like I'm not on Showtime or the Apollo yet. Okay.
We said big bad busting out the 50 band cable. Ooh, ooh, a baka, bop. It's ooh, crack, a bookie, boo, bop, 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 bop. If it's Dennis, lean, Dennis, if it's Dennis, Dennis, pop, pop, Dennis, if it's Dennis, hop, boo, huh.
Okay. For what it's worth. Prayer. Let's go. All right now. I know it ain't perfect, but bitch, I smoke too many blunts and I vogue.
Kitty. I know that's right. Big bag, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, Balenciaga brought it back. No how I give it up. It's big bags, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, Birkin back, party back. No how I give it up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuff. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuff. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuff. I can make the party hot. I can make your body rock. Haters can do nothing with me.
I'd have been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Ooh.